With our first Brighter Lives, Better World program, we reached several ambitious sustainability targets in 2020. That same year we launched our Brighter Lives, Better World 2025 program to continue to address the many challenges facing our world, including demographic change, resource scarcity, climate change, and the urgent need for decarbonization. As before, our Brighter Lives, Better World 2025 program uses the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as our strategic compass. For the current program, we've made 4 specific, measurable commitments to double our positive impact on the environment and on society. We've already made considerable progress on all 4 commitments. We've already achieved our 2025 target to reduce emissions across our full value chain at double the pace required by the Paris Agreement's 1.5-degree scenario. Altogether, we've achieved cumulative emission reductions of more than 300 million tons of CO2 equivalent, which is comparable to the carbon sequestered by over 5 billion tree seedlings grown for 10 years. At 33% of total sales, we've also already outperformed our commitment to double our circular revenues to 32% by the end of 2025. Circular revenues are revenues that come from serviceable luminaires, 3D printed luminaires, circular components, intelligent systems and circular services designed to preserve value and avoid waste. At 31%, we're well on our way to achieving our doubling commitment of 32% for Brighter Lives revenues, which are defined as revenues from lighting that will benefit society. These include lighting that improves health and well-being, supports safety and security, increases food availability, and enables people to see, feel and perform well. And with an increase of 12% since the start of our program, we are committed to doubling the percentage of women in leadership positions to 34% by the end of 2025. But our story doesn't end there. We've achieved more than 70% reduction in absolute greenhouse gas emissions in our own operations since 2010. And this year, we focused on further accelerating those reductions. We continue to use 100% renewable electricity across all of our operations. Over the coming year, we'll continue to prioritize climate action and the circular economy, while increasing our focus on sustainable materials, natural systems and social responsibility. As one of only 5 Dutch headquartered companies on the 2023 CDP Climate A list and the 2023 Dow Jones Sustainability World Index, and the only Dutch headquartered company on both, we proudly claim our position as the lighting leaders for a more sustainable future.